Now, let's talk about the first problem. Kinds of pollution. Number 1. Water pollution. Water pollution is the change in components and nature of water which has bad effects on humans and other living creatures. Water pollution can be divided into these categories by time, by nature, by places, like ocean pollution, river pollution. Causes from nature, like rain, snow melting, storm, blood. The rain pulls contaminants on the ground into rivers, lakes, and from humans, domestic wastewater, sewage, pesticides, herbicides in agriculture. Chemicals that pollute water include heavy metals, ions, anions, nitrate, sulfate, phosphate, and fertilizer. Effects causes damage to animals, plants, and human lives depends on the level of pollution. Oil leaked to the sea is a serious accident that threatens the lives of many creatures in a large area. And the rate of people suffering from acute diseases and chronic diseases related to water pollution such as conjunctivitis, diarrhea, cancer is increasing. People living around polluted areas are getting more and more diseases that are suspected to be caused by using dirty water in all activities. Soil pollution. With a percentage of some components in the soil raise, it will cause imbalance and lead to soil pollution. Causes from nature like volcanoes, waterlogged, tsunamis, and from artificial like chemical, physical, biological causes. Chemicals pollutants come from agricultural waste, pesticides, herbicides, domestic waste, and effects have bad effect on the lives of living creatures and cause harm to the soil ecosystems. Finally, air pollution. Air pollution is the existence of strange chemicals or the change in the components of the air. Causes from humans, industrial emissions, from burning process, gas emissions, transportations, from burning fuel of engines, ash, and the last, households like cooking, fireplace. Effects causes the greenhouse effect due to the rise in carbon dioxide percentage, global warming, climate change, flood, storm, drought damages the ecosystem. Does harm to humans' health, diseases, or even death. Does harm to the growth of animals and plants, and destroy the ozone layer. Creates acid rain which does serious damage to buildings, plants, and other creatures. The second problem, chemistry in preventing the environment pollution. Know when the environment is polluted. Observe the water, air's color, smell. Use reagents to find out pH of water, soil. Find out the percentage of some metals ions like lead, calcium, magnesium. Use chromatography measurement tools to find out the components of sewage, domestic wastewater. Number 2. Chemistry's role in solving the environment pollution problem. General rules. In agriculture, use pesticides, herbicides in accordance with regulation. In industry, follow the correct process of releasing waste into rivers, lakes, ocean. In laboratory, distinguish the chemicals after experimenting. In residential area, waste should be collected, divided into categories for recycling. Some methods in dealing with pollutants. Absorbing, like absorb pollutants with water, base or acid. Use absorbent to absorb pollutants and redox. Educating. Take chemistry with lots of environment problems. Do experiments with small quantity. Follow the correct regulation. Do not let chemicals come out to the environment. Distinguish and process the chemicals after experimenting wisely. Educate people to be more aware of environment, therefore motivate them to help protect it.